Okay guys, this vlog is gonna be a packing and travel day vlog. So, got my stuff here, which I need to sort out and put everything back in the bag. Okay, none of that actually filmed, but you know what? I didn't fucking make any progress, so it's all good. Yeah, enjoy. Take it all out. Oh my god, it fucking closed. Moral of the story is be persistent. Okay guys, we're all packed and waiting for our Uber. Yeah. She's barely standing, but we're good. We made it to the airport and the Uber driver was really nice. I mean, not to the airport, to the train station. But this is what we're met with. She is slightly busy. Oh my god, so many people. We made it to the platform. That's our train. Actually chaotic. Like, so bad. This is our train, guys. We made it on the train. She's been blocked from the internet. Why? We made it to Madrid. Stunning. It's slightly cold compared to the last. There's a baby head. Okay, we have arrived at our Airbnb, but we're just waiting to meet the person to let us in. This angle is so unflattering, I actually can't. But yeah, we'll keep you updated. Okay, we made it to the Airbnb and it's actually really cute, and the lady who gave us the key was lovely. Very, very nice. Who I was expecting. I was expecting a man.
Like a big
gruffy. But it was a nice woman. So that was nice. This is our place. That's like the couch, art, TV, windows, bed. Kitchen, up another floor, table. Bathroom. It's quite nice. All right, we have decided on a place for dinner, but it's only it's only 4 o'clock, so we're gonna have a little rest because every time we have a travel day and we arrive at the Airbnb, I actually cannot be fucked doing anything. All I want to do is just lay. I don't know if that's anyone else has that problem when they're traveling, but yeah, we're gonna have a little rest and then we're gonna go out for dinner, which I'm actually quite excited about. But at the moment, I just need a little rest.
I feel like that was one.
We are ready for dinner. We're going to a restaurant and getting a bunch of seafood. pretty much. So excited for that, but we're doing little walkie poos along the way, so yeah. The dinner fit is black and white today. She's in full white, I'm in full black. We love it. We got a little bit of pre-dinner entertainment. Walked through a protest, which was interesting. Never been to one, so interesting experience. You guys,
This is our dinner. With a cocktail.
they gave us a chocolate cake and we didn't order it.
It looks busted.
It does look busted. We got a free shot, guys. Ready?
Was it Bailey's?
I don't know. Not bad. Guys, that little restaurant, do you remember what it was called? I can't, I'll put it in right here. So lovely, and they gave us a free chocolate cake and 2 free shots as well. Yeah. And the food was delicious. We got garlic prawns in sizzly garlic oil.
The bread
Risotto,
dipped in it.
bread, and calamari, and it was all really good. Like,
Not the calamari.
I liked calamari. You just stepped in
Chili
food.
dinner.
Yeah. But yeah, and it's like a 15-minute walk from our little Airbnb.
I was full after.
Okay, we made it home. And as we were walking home, we witnessed a crime. I think we witnessed a pickpocket. I'm not too sure. We were just walking and some group of men came running down the street.
Someone ran into a car.
Someone ran into a car.
There was a dog.
There was a dog involved. It was just, yeah, it was interesting. Someone literally ran across the road into a car, chasing after this one guy. So made us a bit more cautious. Obviously we already are cautious, but yeah. Okay guys, that is the vlog. Thank you for watching.